Daddy, my name is Joey. I'm gonna make you cookies. I'm gonna do my cookies. So we're gonna make a great salad.
That looks so yummy. What is in the salad?
Fruit.
What are those?
Blueberries.
And
I know.
melon.
Hmm.
And then what else are you gonna put in that salad? What is this for?
Cookie.
Where are you gonna eat the salad? In this one or in this plate?
And this one.
Oh, okay. So you just put it in here first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's how much I'm gonna do. That's
Wow.
how much I want.
Wow, that is a great salad, Joy. That looks so yummy. You need help peeling the banana?
Yeah.
No?
Okay.
That looks so yummy, Joy. Here is your fork. Don't forget your fork. You need help with that? Let me help you so you can finish faster. I move it here. Like this. Just go like this. Like this.
No.
Okay, you do it your way.
I like this.
Okay, that sounds good. Can you talk to us while you cook? Talk to all your friends in the cooking shop.
Hi.
What? We cannot hear you too good.
I can't do the bubbles, but I can do these ones.
Well, you don't sing a song. Maybe sing ABC while you do that. Or it's
I'll
ABC
keep
Spy.
talking.
Oh, keep talking. Okay. Are you still talking? That looks so good. Now you can eat your salad. Eat your salad.
Not yet.
Not yet? Wow, that is a long process to make that salad, Joey.
Yeah.
Is it a lot of work to make a salad?
Yeah.
Really? Maybe next time I don't give you so much fruit. I think the blueberries, you should grab the whole skillet and put it on top. Yeah, like that. Good job, Joey. Good job. You're such a great chef. Good job. Wow. You make a great salad, Joey. Good job. Now it's time to
Eat it.
eat the salad. Good job. Okay, now you have to finish the show. What are you going to say now?
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Till next time.